So here is our setup, and we have to lay down the solution into the glass sheet with the equal thickness, and the equal thickness is decided is depend upon the thickness of the paper we are going to use. So we pour down it, and now just roll it down, and because of thickness of the paper the layer becomes equally thick all over, and then the glass sheet with the solution immersed into the water. The water is the non-solvent here. The NMP which is present in the solution gets mixed with the water and comes out from the solution, and what happens, there remains only polysulfone, and which gets solidified and our membrane gets prepared. Here is a look on our membrane. We have to instantly immerse the solution into the water before it gets solidified with the air, and you can see this is the polysulfone we have prepared, but it's not very strong and durable. It's only the polysulfone membrane, and with its condition we can get an idea that we cannot apply a very much pressure on it. So what have we done, we are using now a polyester support so that we can make a membrane well shaped, and we can apply more pressure to it, because for the water separation methods we need to apply pressure up to 60 bar, and with the polyester support the membrane can experience up to 60 bar pressure. So now have immersed the water. Again the phase separation process occur. This is also called the phase inversion. During this immersive polymerization, you can see the water comes out and it again gets solidified. Here is a closer look on the membrane. You can see the membrane which is prepared by using a support is comparatively good. It's better than the without support membrane, and you can look it. Is the look. It's quite flat sheet membrane, a polymer flat sheet membrane. It is well distributed polysulfone in the membrane here.